How to change the wiper blade on your 2020 and newer Subaru Forester. So the driver's side is a 26-inch, and I believe the passenger side is 18. Walk up to it. There is a little button right there. Push that, slide it forward. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. I'll try. Yep. Just pops out. I bought this from a dealership. It was actually cheaper than buying it online or from Walmart or anywhere, or Michelin or any of those. And also, these ones have a nice rounded tip. The other ones are square and all these weird other ends that come with them. Pull this white strip off. Take that off. Take your new one with the rounded end pointing that way. Slide it in. Simple as that. I did it with one hand. There you go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.